made a statement that the Congress is compromised in Goa. What do you have to say about that? That Girish Chodankar has made a statement that Congress is compromised in Goa. So what do you have to say about
Which
that statement?
statement?
Those who said it are compromised. Congress is not compromised. Those who said it are
No, no,
मी काय विचारता मग राव मरे काय बोलू नाही मरे
See,
It's not mentioned as Congress.
I think which interview or what you are speaking about, I am really not aware of that. What you are telling that Girish Chodankar ji has made a statement that
So it's appeared already in the newspaper. You are not reading
Congress is compromised.
Yes,
One sec. That's what I was going to say. No. There is a difference between opposition and there is a difference between Congress party. You should be very clear. You don't put your words in my mouth. Don't twist and turn the statements given by senior Congress leaders or any of the Congress party members. It is what interview he has given is the opposition is compromised probably. He has never used the word that the Congress party or the Congress leader. Now you guys only have to tell me what is the opposition in the state of Goa. It is few others also. So my LOP, who is the main leader of opposition in the assembly, is well read and very well during this budget session also. He has been attacking the policies of the BJP government and he has been very vocal. Along with him, our Congress MLAs, Alton ji as well as Carlos ji, are supporting him with all the documents and speaking against the corruption by the BJP government. So I'm not understanding what you meant and what answer you want from
opposition
me.
also is
So
Congress
you have
is
to
also
ask the
part.
other opposition people. No, I'm telling you.
So you are the main opposition,
That's
right?
what I'm saying. What my opposition leader is doing in the assembly, I've given you saying about that. Now you people are saying that someone spoke about all these things regarding opposition. So it
So
must
he
be
is-
the other leaders like AAP, which already I am telling they are the B team of BJP, and other leaders might be compromised. I don't know about them. How can I speak on their behalf? I can speak only for the Congress party.
So you mean to say Aam Aadmi Party is compromised?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Did I give any statement like this? But I stick to my statement that Aam Aadmi Party, last time also I had mentioned, is the B team of BJP. And I stick to that statement.
मैडम एक और बात, आपका कांग्रेस का सरकार है कर्नाटक